Welcome to our complete brand building tool, the strategic three-phase system that transforms scattered business ideas into market-dominating brand architecture. Notice our dashboard shows brand personality discovery, brand positioning discovery, and brand key framework. This sequential unlocking ensures proper strategic progression. You cannot skip steps because each phase builds the foundation for the next. Let's start with phase 1 and work through the complete system to show you how strategic brand building actually works. Phase 1. Brand Personality Discovery. Step 1. Strategic Assessment Process. Clicking Start Identification, the system generates our personalized assessment. Uncover your brand's true personality. Now I'm completing the 12-question strategic assessment. Notice I'm selecting answers that feel authentic to our exotic food tour business concept. Each response feeds the AI archetype analysis engine. The system analyzes patterns across all responses rather than individual answers. Why this matters? Most businesses operate without understanding their core personality, leading to inconsistent messaging and confused market position. This assessment identifies your authentic brand DNA. Step 2. AI Archetype Analysis with Regeneration. The AI has completed analysis, but let me show you something powerful if the first result doesn't feel right. Perfect! Exotic food tours, a business creating romantic exotic experiences with lover-explorer archetype combination. This captures exactly what we envisioned. Your brand personality must feel authentic to you as the founder. This flexibility ensures genuine alignment rather than forcing mismatched archetypes. Step 3. Brand Personality Framework Results. Excellent! Our complete brand personality result shows primary archetype, lover, relationship-focused. Secondary archetype, explorer, adventure-driven. Category, fine dining. Business type, exotic food tours. The framework includes comprehensive tabs: brand identity, business components, business metrics, marketing, and operations. Everything in your business, from pricing to hiring to partnerships, should align with these core personality traits. This prevents random decision-making and creates consistent brand experience. From core values that guide decisions, to brand promises that set customer expectations, to voice characteristics that create recognition, to your complete offering architecture of core, secondary, and premium services, to operational excellence including physical space, essential services, technical requirements, staff qualifications, and service standards, to performance metrics that track delivery, to communication strategy with primary and secondary channel architecture. Every element connects strategically to transform your brand framework into operational reality that creates sustainable competitive advantage, justifies premium pricing, and builds market dominance through systematic differentiation. For getting more insights, you can check the details of your primary archetype and secondary archetype by clicking on them. Each archetype provides you with a plethora of brand guidelines in a structured manner. Phase 2. Brand Positioning Discovery. Now that we've completed brand personality discovery, notice that brand positioning discovery has unlocked. This demonstrates our systematic progression. We must understand who we are before determining where we compete. Clicking Create Guidelines begins the positioning phase. The system now analyzes our personality insights to create a strategic positioning framework that defines our exact market position. From target audience definition that identifies who you serve specifically, to market category that defines what business you're in, to unique value proposition that establishes what makes you different, to key differentiators that highlight specific advantages, to brand personality expression and positioning, to customer service approach that delivers your position, to marketing strategy that communicates your place in the market, to complete positioning statement that summarizes your market dominance. Every component works together to create a defendable market category where you can win, justify premium pricing, and attract ideal customers while avoiding price competition through strategic differentiation. Phase 3. Brand Key Framework. Based on our business details and brand personality analysis, our tool generates strategic questions and requires user selection. Based on the user selection, business details, and brand personality, we generate the brand key framework. This final phase crystallizes everything into your fundamental brand framework, the strategic DNA that drives every business decision. Clicking Generate Key creates questions based on both personality and positioning insights to identify your deepest brand elements. The brand key framework becomes your business compass. Every decision, hiring, partnerships, product development, aligns with this framework. From root strength that identifies what you're truly great at, to competitive environment where you choose to compete, to target, defining who you serve, to insight, revealing why they choose you at the deepest level, to benefits, showing what they get emotionally, to values, beliefs, and personality, expressing how you show up, to reasons to believe, providing proof your promises are real, to discriminator, establishing your unique market position, to essence, capturing your core brand soul. Detail analysis feature. Here are some powerful features you can use for all three tools. For most sections in the brand personality result, brand positioning tool result, or brand key framework result, you'll have the option click here to get more details beside brand elements. Let's take an example by clicking on core values of brand personality discovery tool. On clicking this, it generates an AI prompt that you can use with Claude, ChatGPT, or other AI tools to develop detailed implementation strategies, along with detailed analysis of how each element and result will benefit in brand building. Understanding strategic importance prevents shortcuts that damage brand consistency. Implementation guidance transforms theory into practical business systems. Copy the prompt and paste it in ChatGPT and see the magic unfold. Let's look into the result we got. You can clearly see how deep the analysis is. First, we're presented with why core values really matter. Then we deep dive into each core value. We later go into practical playbook for each core value, implementation timeline, and what success metrics to measure. Similarly, we can follow similar steps for remaining brand elements of all three brand tools. Sharing and exporting features. Let's now look into another useful feature of sharing and exporting, which is present in all three brand tools. Generate password-protected links for each phase that you can share with team members, investors, or consultants while maintaining confidentiality. Export professional documentation for all three phases that maintains formatting and imputes complete analysis. Brand strategy must be accessible to your entire team. These features ensure consistent brand understanding across all stakeholders while maintaining professional presentation. You've experienced the complete transformation of brand for your business. Phase 1 identified authentic brand personality through scientific archetype analysis. Phase 2 defined exact market position and competitive differentiation. Phase 3 crystallized fundamental brand framework and strategic essence. Your brand is ready to dominate your market through authentic differentiation, strategic clarity, and operational excellence. This systematic approach ensures sustainable competitive advantage rather than random marketing tactics.